Today, we are going to learn about the wood lathe machine, one of the most useful machines in woodworking. This machine is specially designed to shape wood into round and decorative forms. Many beautiful wooden products that we see in homes and furniture shops are made using this machine. A wood lathe machine works by rotating a piece of wood at high speed. The wood is fixed between two main parts of the machine, called the headstock and the tailstock. When the motor starts, the wood begins to spin very fast. The operator then uses a sharp cutting tool to slowly remove material from the spinning wood and shape it into the desired design. This process is called wood turning. During wood turning, the craftsman carefully controls the cutting tool and moves it along the surface of the rotating wood. As the tool touches the wood, thin shavings come off, and the wood gradually becomes smooth and perfectly shaped. The wood lathe machine has several important parts. The bed is the base that holds the entire machine steady. The headstock contains the motor and rotates the wood. The tailstock supports the other end of the wood to keep it stable. There is also a tool rest, which helps the operator hold and guide the cutting tool safely. Wood lathe machines are widely used to make many types of wooden products. For example, table legs, chair legs, wooden bowls, candle holders, tool handles, and decorative wooden pieces are often made using this machine. Because the wood rotates evenly, it becomes easy to create perfectly round and symmetrical shapes. Skill and practice are very important when using a wood lathe machine. The operator must hold the tool firmly and move it smoothly to avoid damaging the wood.